Yeah, I can see, dear students, you can see the outpatient. This is the medicine store, medicine department. Renovation हो रहा है and this is exclusive for women. Exclusive for women. This is outpatient, no? Outpatient. Oh, अच्छा. Yeah, this is entrance, no? Outpatient. बहुत अच्छा लगा. Yeah, now renovation work is going on. Hostel. So, can you see the hostels inside the campus in the main building, so that safety security कोई problem नहीं है. Above the OPD, you can see the hostels for the foreigners, so that foreigners के लिए कोई tension नहीं है. That will be very safety for the Indian students. And you can see the information desk, then IPD billing, IPD cash counter, then OPD ticket and cash billing.
হ্যাঁ আমরা এগুলি আপনার ইয়ে দেবো স্টুডেন্ট দেবো ফার্নিচার
And this is the ambulances and all.
This is our auditorium, you see. We have got the auditorium like this. I show you our life.
Yeah.
This is our life.
So dear students, I can show you because it's difficult to go there because the light is disturbed from there. I show them this is the library.
This is a practical class. This is a practical room. Classes we are going for. The classes that I show you one picture. You see, this is a terrace.
Yeah. This is a hospital below.
Below there is hospital.
Okay, this is a hostel or something?
No, hospital is outside. Hospital is above.
Oh.
We have not kept any picture.
Yeah. This is privacy. You can do that.
I show you another one, the classroom. You see, these are classrooms.
This is classrooms. Yeah.
This
Yeah.
digital board is there.
Yeah. This is a smart class.
Yeah,
This is
smart
complete.
class. All classes are smart class.
All smart
All are the smart classes. You see, this one, this is also classroom. You see the front. This is our library. You see the part of the library here. Same block. This is one of the practical rooms. You see.
Yeah, it's going on.
The students are doing practical things.
So in this time, if I go, they got disturbed. Better I can see it here.
They're doing the classes. And you see, the foreign students are there. They're doing the classes.
Yeah.
This is the foreign students.
These two
These two are foreign students.
And generally, you.
This
See, I'm just leaving from this medical college. Is like the only women college in Dhaka. That is like the MCW Medical College for Women and Hospital, and is really awesome. I met the principal. I met the student affairs officers, and they're assuring the all safety, security, and quality education to girl students from India. I have seen all campuses. I've seen just below to the medical, the outpatient department, and also the. Of course, I cannot go to inside the hostel, but the people tell some student told that it's good about that, and canteen is really awesome. 33 years batch has been passed. I mean, gone through. The 34th batch is going on now. So already 26 batches passed out. तो इसके ज़्यादा हम क्या बोल पाएंगे. This is what the best out of this women college. Walkable distance may be around like very closest proximity to the airport. आप जब इंडिया में आएंगे, जब ढाका एयरपोर्ट पहुंचेंगे, उस दिन 2 घंटे में आपको चेकआउट करके आप यहाँ पे पहुंच पाओगे. दिस इज़ व्हाट दी बेस्ट पॉसिबल थिंग फॉर सिक्योरिटी फॉर दी वोमेन कल्चर ऑफ इंडिया. सिचुएशन आज मैं निकल रहा हूँ चेन्नई को, एंड द बेस्ट मेमोरी I carry from the Bangladesh is the right now situation is real awesome, and you can helpful for that. So dear students and parents, 2024-25 intake is available for this women's college and also many colleges also, and please try to the below number you can call us, get in touch with me. I can help them for secure a seat in the good colleges in Bangladesh. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. If you want to subscribe my channel, please, because so many videos are coming up there that you'll get a lot of information with Bangladesh colleges for admissions for MBS soon. Thank you. Send out. Thank you. Bye.